Hey guys, welcome back to the DELPRIS family, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make some money using this one app, playing music, listening to your favorite music for free, and collecting a little change in your pocket. This is not a get rich quick video, so if that's what you're looking for, you can click off this video right now. But I can guarantee that you can make some money in your pocket for an entire year using this one app, just listening to music like what you normally do on an everyday basis. This is not like your Pandora and your Spotify or your Apple Music, but it's pretty close. And to me, it's got very much like a lot of similarities with those. But the only difference is this one actually pays you. The others don't. So if you guys are interested, stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, leave a like, comment down below at the end of this video and let me know if you tried this app out. Alright, so let's get started. So basically what this app is gonna do, or what you're gonna do, is you're gonna click the link in the description, or you're gonna come to this app, you're gonna sign up and everything, and you're gonna come to this app. As you can see, I have a lot of they give you a lot of topics and categories. As you can see, this one says trending, mood, rap and hip hop, pop, R&B and soul, EDM, decades, etc. You get the point. And if you can come across up top here, you see recently played. So this is all that I've been listening to since I've downloaded this app and installed it. And as you can see, it says trending, mood, rap, pop, R&B and soul, etc, etc. Same thing. All right. So all you guys got to do is where you go to actually earn your money is over here. This is where you're going to exchange points for cash, or for gift cards, or for product. Alright, so as you can see right here, it says that I have 10% on a $20 gift card. That's worth 32,500 points, which I already only have 3,498. As it says, I only got 10% so far in that. And as you can see here, you can also gain points by installing and downloading games, playing them for 1 to 30 minutes. And you can gain up to 50,000 points. Over here you can do offers for 1 to 30 minutes, gain up to 20,000 points. Beside that, you can do surveys, 1 to 30 minutes, gain up to 10,000 points. And the savings part, I don't really get that, but if I do, I'll leave a comment explaining that part in the comment section after this video. But you can also watch ads 30 seconds and earn up to 15 points. That part is pretty cool, because if you don't want to just listen to music, you can also go watch some 30-second ads and gain 15 points, 15 points, 15 points, 15 points, and it adds up. Every little bit adds up. And down here you can see easy points. It says you can put in your phone number, you can get 100 points for that. You can put in your birth here, you can get 25 points for that. You can put in your gender, 25 points, share your location, address, etc. You can also give a feedback and get 100 points for that. Alright, so that's that for that part. And if you don't want to do the PayPal, because when you sign up, it's not going to give you this as your choice. So if you want to change your choice, you just click this little pencil tool right there. That's the edit. And as you can see, you can get a $1 Amazon for 6,950 points, $4, $6 PayPal, 13,000, as you can see, etc. and stuff like that. So all you gotta do, if you want to change your goal, all you gotta do, for example, just click on this Amazon for $10 right here, as you can see, and then you just click set as goal, and then you click change. I'm not gonna change mine, and then you just click OK, and then that's just gonna set that as your goal, and you're gonna see your goal change right here, and it's gonna tell you the percentage that you have. But also, to make things easier for you, you could also click this 3-stroke line things that goes across like this. You can click that, and it also gives you you can smaller categorize everything. You can go by products or gift cards. As you can see, if I go by gift cards, it's just going to show me the gift cards, no product right here. Alright, and if I go by the products, it's going to show me all the products right here. Alright, so, and over here, the next option down at the bottom, the third one, is music. This is where all the fun happens, all the magic happens right here. But before I play anything, I want to show you guys something. I want you guys to register this in your mind. So my points is at 3,498. All right, so let's see something. So as you guys can see, I was already playing something right here down at the bottom, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna go into search for artists up top right here, and I'm Jamaican, so I'm just gonna put in a Jamaican artist. I'm gonna go for Vybz Kartel. Gonna click on Vybz Kartel, and as you can see, there's one right here comes up. I hope you guys can hear this. Alright guys, I can't play that, I can't play too much of that song because then I could get hit with a copyright claim. I'm trying to avoid that right now. So as you guys can see, I just played like probably a second or two. As you can see, I don't know if you just saw that, but the numbers went up. I should have told you guys this, but you should look in the top left corner where you see that says 3498.47. So you also can get point something, not always 1 point full, or you can get half of a point or something like that. Depends on how long you are listening to the music. So I'm sorry, I should have told you guys that before, but if anything, you guys could just go back and check that out just to make sure that it actually moved, as said before. And then you guys could go through a lot of genres and topics right here, or you could just search for specific artists and see what's going on for them, and then you can listen to your favorite artists that way. Alright, that's what I've been doing. I'm not gonna lie, that's what I've been doing. But I also listen to some of these stations. They're really good. They're pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, they're pretty decent. And over here you got your library, as you can see here. Alright, so honestly, and there's another feature there, but I would have to be playing music to show you guys, so I'm just gonna tell you guys what it is. So basically, you got a lock screen feature, so while the music is playing and your music plays too much, so eventually the screen get locked. So when you open that screen, what's gonna happen is it's gonna start, you can just swipe up, and once you swipe up, you're gonna gain points. But this is a little bit different. This is gonna redeem your points in like 2 hours, it says. So you're gonna get that points in 2 hours prior to you unlocking your phone. So if you keep unlocking your phone, you're just gonna keep getting points. Feel me? So that's another way to make a lot of points. Alright guys, so if you want to know this app or get this app, just click the link in the description down below and start earning money listening to your favorite artists or your favorite music or your favorite genre, topic, anything that has to do with music. If you're a music lover, you can make a lot of money with this. Alright, you can make a lot of money. An average guy like me that only listens to music, sometimes I can make like $600 a year or stuff like that, because I really do listen to music while driving and stuff like that. So if you're really a music lover, you can actually click the link down below, download, install the app, and start doing what you gotta do. Just listen to your music, bounce around, dance a little bit, do whatever you can, and just start generating money. I said before, this is not your Pandora, your Spotify, or your Apple Music, or whatever, your paid subscription music. This one actually pays you to listen to music, not the other way around. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below, and listen out for my next money making app. I said before, these are not gonna be get rich quick videos or get rich quick schemes. These are legitimate apps that's gonna pay you money, and if they're legitimate and gonna pay you money, it's not gonna be a lot of money.